Strumming my pen with his fingers, singing my life with his word, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. Oh yeah, Boogie is in here. Yeah. I hear him sang a good song. I hear he had a stay, and so I came to see him, to listen for a while. And there he was, a young boy, a stranger to my heart, drumming my pen with his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his word, killing me softly with his song. I felt us float with fever, embarrassed by the ground. I felt he found my letter and read it one out loud. I pray that he will finish. He used to cry on, so many pain with his fingers, singing my life with his voice, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his word, killing me softly with his song. Ah